Hi, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Thesaurus feature in EBSCO databases. Sometimes when we're searching, we get stuck on what search terms to use. Databases use specific words to index or categorize articles, and we may not think of those specific words. So there's a tool within EBSCO databases that we can use to help us know the correct search terms. So let's go to Academic Search Complete by using the database eBooks and Media list. Simply click on Academic Search Complete to open our EBSCO database. You'll see at the top an option for subject terms. This is the same thing as the thesaurus and will help us figure out which search terms we should use. Clicking Search Terms will bring up the search term search. Type your search terms like teenager and then say browse. If we click the word that's hyperlinked in blue, we'll see what teenagers means according to this database. This is the scope note. Teenagers is going to bring up works on people in the general age range of 13 to 18 years. I also see a broader term. If I'm not getting enough by searching teenagers, I might try searching the word youth. Or, if teenagers is too broad, I may need to use one of these narrower terms, like abused teenagers, black teenagers. These will also give me some ideas of what I can search related to my topic. At the bottom, you'll also see related terms. Adolescence is a similar term, but not exactly the same as teenager. When you're searching, you may want to try both. You'll also see that the word teenager is used for adolescents, teen-agers, teens, and young adults, or teenagers. Clicking the box next to a specific term will allow you to search this term. Let's say cell phones and teenagers. I want to add this to my search, but I want to use the word and. This will bring up articles that use both of my search terms. Simply saying add will bring it into the search. I could also try cell phones and teenagers and Christian teenagers. Saying add will bring it into my search. Now I want to search cell phones and teenagers that also talk about Christian teenagers. Clicking the green search button will bring up my search results. For additional help, you can schedule an appointment with a research coach. We'd be happy to help you think of search terms and help you use the subjects term option in an EBSCO database. Thanks for viewing our video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Also, if you have suggestions for videos, leave it in the comments.